right, Ads, just so that you can see me here as well. So we're going to do a 1 in husky scale, okay? So this 1 in husky scale, we're going to be gurgling, okay? This is a very similar technique to what Marcus Bridge uses. A lot of the hardcore guys are using this, Electric Mary. So we want to just get the chords gurgling, not so much compressed. The chords nearly flutter together. We're going to start down low, and it's yeah. So it's yeah. It's ah. You can hear it. I'm just doing that. The chords are fluttering together. That's what we're doing all the way through, right up into the extreme high range, down to this lower range. So it's, yeah, your turn. Yeah. Yeah. Really relaxed. Yeah. It's not loud. Yeah. Yeah. I do one, you do one. Couple more. Yeah. Breathe a bit more air down here, Ads. Yeah. Good. Now we're going to head up. I'm going to jump a little bit higher here. Yeah. Your turn. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty relaxed. Stomach supporting. We're getting that flutter. Okay, we're getting a gurgle, not a compression, not loud. Yeah. 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 And the great thing about this scale is if you hit a vein of gold where you're feeling really good, like for instance here, stop. Yeah, push pause, then do a couple of phrases, sing a couple of words. Yeah, I know you, or whatever it might be that you want to do. But put a couple of words together, push pause, and then keep moving. Yeah. Let's do it together, Ads. Yeah. Join me, we're doing it together. Yeah. Yeah. By yourself. Lift the sound up into the soft palate. Yeah. Yeah. Keep your posture straight. Use your stomach now. Still not loud. We'll get into this higher range now. Use your stomach. Put the sound where your uvula is. Yeah. Your turn. Yeah. My sound's right where my uvula is in my soft palate. Very important. My voice is still fluttering. Yeah. Yeah. This is the same as the crossover technique. We're in this high range. It's crossover technique when we're doing it in true voice, mixed or blended voice. We're doing the same thing here with your harder voice. This is the business end here now for the next 4. Yeah. Yeah. It's right. It's right at that uvula. My sound's vibrating in my uvula. Yeah. 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 One more. Yeah. Let's go one more. Yeah. Now, as you can hear, my voice is in good condition. It's not that loud, a bit of support, but I was really placing it there and letting my vocal cords gurgle. That's what I was doing through that whole area there, not hurting my voice at all. And as you can see, I'm in good condition after that. I'll stop and just send this over to your Ads.